You see a vacant lot, maybe some trees, maybe some rocks. But I see a blank canvas, a place where something amazing is about to happen. Building a marvel, whether it's a skyscraper or a school, starts with a whole lot of dirt. And let me tell you, getting that dirt ready is no walk in the park. It's a symphony of heavy machinery, skilled workers, and a whole lot of planning. We're talking about transforming a patch of land into the foundation of someone's dream. That means clearing the site, leveling the ground, and making sure everything is safe and sound for the construction crew. It's tough, dirty work, but it's the essential first step in creating something from nothing. These guys and gals are the unsung heroes of construction. They don't get the fancy offices or the air conditioning, but they're the ones who make it all possible. And trust me, they're using every ounce of their skill and experience to make sure that foundation is built to last. Now it's time to dig. We're talking massive excavators, front-end loaders, dump trucks hauling dirt like it's going out of style. This is where the real muscle comes in, and believe me, it's impressive to watch. These machines can move mountains, literally. But it's not just about brute force. These operators are artists in their own right, carefully sculpting the earth according to the blueprints. They're following precise calculations, making sure the excavation is the perfect depth and width for the foundation. And safety? That's always the top priority. Once the digging is done, it's time to lay the foundation. This is the bedrock, the backbone of the entire structure. We're talking tons of concrete, reinforced with steel rebar, all carefully engineered to support the weight of what's to come. It's a ballet of precision and teamwork. Concrete trucks rumble in, pouring their payload into the forms. Workers spread and smooth the concrete, making sure it's perfectly level. And let me tell you, that concrete is setting fast, so they've got to work quickly and efficiently. This is no job for the faint of heart. We're going underground, folks. Basements aren't just for storing holiday decorations anymore. They're becoming living spaces, home theaters, even gyms. But before we can even think about drywall and flooring, we've got to make sure it's bone dry down there. Waterproofing is crucial. We're talking about a multi-layered system of membranes and sealants, applied with meticulous care. These guys are like surgeons, making sure every seam is watertight. They know that even the tiniest leak can turn into a major headache down the road. It's all about prevention, folks, but waterproofing is just the beginning. We're talking about insulation, drainage systems, and maybe even a sump pump or two. All of this is designed to keep that basement dry and comfortable no matter what Mother Nature throws at it. It's about creating a space that's as livable as any other room in the house. Now the real fun begins. We're talking about steel beams, concrete columns, all carefully engineered to support the weight of the building. It's like a giant puzzle, with each piece fitting perfectly into place. These beams and columns aren't just thrown up there randomly, they're strategically positioned to distribute the load of the building evenly, ensuring stability and strength. This is where those engineering calculations come in, folks. They've got it down to a science, making sure every ounce of weight is accounted for. And let's not forget about the workers, perched precariously on beams high above the ground. These guys are the real deal, fearless and skilled, putting those beams in place with incredible precision. They're the ones who are literally building the skeleton of the building, piece by piece.